Now, before you fully commit to a name, it's worth making sure nobody in your state is already using it. Taylor Brands does this check for you, but I'd double check it yourself just to be safe. So just open up Google and type in your state's name, followed by business search. Then click the official result, which is usually going to be a .gov site. That brings up a search box where you can type in the name that you want, and you'll see right away whether it's available. And while you're there, it's worth running a quick trademark search too. I've linked the trademark search tool down in the description so you can find it there. One other small thing to note is that Taylor Brands adds the LLC part onto the end of your name for you, so you don't have to type that in yourself. So whenever you're ready to set up your own LLC, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link at the top of the description. That's going to get you the lowest pricing available. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more clear guides just like this. Congrats on taking the first step towards starting your business, and I'll see you in the next video.